Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a sweet, healthy and energy boosting drink, which is beetroot and bananas juice. It is super easy and full of nutrients. Let's get started. I'm going to start by peeling and chopping into small pieces of my beetroot. As you can see, it is very clean, it is still dry. I washed it earlier. Therefore, let's get started and start the process of peeling our beetroot. Let's peel. In our juice of the day, we are not going to use sugar because banana do contain sugar. We are just going to blend banana and beetroot, and our third ingredient gonna be water. That's what we are going to add. I've already peeled my beetroot, as you can see. Therefore, we are just going direct to chop it into small pieces and transfer it into my blender jar. It's very simple and healthy. You can try this and tell me down in the comments how it turned. I'm going to transfer my chopped beetroot into my blender jar directly. We are done with the chopping of our beetroot. I'm therefore going to start peeling and cutting of our banana. I'm gonna put this my chopping board aside and let us start with peeling and chopping of our banana. We are going to peel as we chop until we finish. We are going to repeat the procedure until we are done with bananas. As you can see, everything is fully in my blender. I'm therefore just going to add water, which will help our juice to blend smoothly. Therefore, let's add water. I'm going to cover it and we start our blending process. we are going to blend it until it is smooth. If you like, you can strain it, or you can prefer to keep everything fully the way I do. Therefore, let's start the process of blending. We are going to blend it until it is smooth and thick. Let's check out our juice has turned out. I'm going to grab my glass and have a taste of our juice. You can see how colorful it is. And this is the end result of our banana beetroot juice. You can try this perfect juice for breakfast or a quick energy boost during the day. You can try it out and tell me how it turned out for you. I'm going to test it and tell you. The juice the juice, it do taste sweet because of banana. Banana has a lot of sugar, therefore there is no need of adding sugar into our juice again. You can try it and tell me. The juice is very sweet, it's very colorful, very pleasing, it's very healthy. You can try it, and you can comment down below, tell me how the juice turned out for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple and easy recipe me and you can afford back at home.